Welcome back to my channel. They say rice water can make your hair grow fast, but what happens when you use it every single day for 7 days straight? I tested it. The results were surprising, and not what I expected. Before you try it, here's what you must know. Why rice water is so powerful. Rice water isn't just a DIY trend, it's a centuries-old beauty secret. Used by women in ancient China and Japan, especially the Yao women of Wanla village, known for their floor-length hair and no signs of graying until their 80s. But what's inside this cloudy water that works like magic? It's packed with amino acids, the building blocks of keratin, your hair's main protein, inositol, a carbohydrate that helps repair damaged hair and protect it from breakage. Vitamins B, C, and E, for shine, strength, and scalp health. Antioxidants, that reduce inflammation and support hair follicle health. How I prepared rice water daily. There are 2 common ways to make rice water. 1. Soaking, quick method, good for sensitive scalp. 2. Fermentation, stronger, more powerful, but smells strong. I used fresh rice water daily by soaking 1/2 cup of white rice in 1.5 cups of water for 30 minutes, then straining it. Pro tip. I added a few drops of rosemary essential oil to boost hair growth and cut the smell. I stored it in a spray bottle and used it fresh each day. How I used it daily. Each evening, I sprayed the rice water directly on my scalp and hair roots, gently massaged for 5 minutes, and left it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. I didn't use any harsh shampoo, just mild herbal ones 2 to 3 times that week to avoid product buildup. Daily progress and results. Day 1. My hair felt soft, but nothing major. Day 3. Noticeably less hair fall during combing. Day 5. Hair felt smoother, shinier, and my scalp felt clean. Day 7. I noticed baby hairs on the hairline and my roots looked fuller. But it wasn't all perfect. What you need to be careful about. Using rice water daily is not for everyone. If you have low porosity hair, daily use can make hair stiff or dry over time, because protein builds up quickly. Also, don't leave it on overnight. This can lead to scalp irritation or even fungal buildup. Best frequency. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal for most people. Daily works well short term, but listen to your hair. Bonus tip for faster growth. Want to supercharge the results? Mix rice water with a few drops of black seed oil or aloe vera juice for extra nourishment. Use a wooden comb to reduce breakage. Eat foods rich in biotin, zinc, and protein, because healthy hair starts inside. Rice water is not magic, but it's a powerful, natural, and affordable remedy that works when used wisely. My hair felt stronger, shinier, and fuller in just 7 days. But remember, hair growth is a journey. Consistency plus care equals results. If you're ready to try it, start slow, watch your hair's response, and unlock the real potential of your roots. Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Comment your results if you've tried rice water. Thank you for watching.